Hi everybody, my name is Katerina and I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. Yes, Chanel fall collection, Bison, it's right here. It's beautiful, it's hot. I have 4 eyeshadow palettes for you, but this palette, it's named 338 Baroque. It's very beautiful. We have here emerald green, gold khaki, like beautiful burgundy color, and I love this white. Of course, it's already on my eyes. I'm telling you, this is the easiest eyeshadow palette from all 4. I will show you step by step how to use this palette. All the time here and right now, I watch couple videos and they say, oh, this is complicated. I'm not sure if should I buy this or not. I bought this, but it's not me. I'm telling you, this is the easiest palette, and look at how gorgeous it is. I'm 45. It looks very natural. It's have a pop, but it's not dark. It's not heavy. I will show you step by step how I create this look. Yes, of course, I use Chanel blush, Chanel lipstick, Chanel mascara, almost everything Chanel except eyeshadow primer. I will swatch this palette for you on my wrist, and I will show you without primer and with primer. Yes, I am cheating. Only one product which I'm not using from Chanel, it's gonna be MAC Painterly eyeshadow. I will swatch for you and show you how to apply. Again, please give me a like. Also, all this collection will be available at Nordstrom September 1st. DM me on Instagram, pre-order. I will send you home. It's free shipping, and of course I like to put nice luxury samples from any brand which one we have in my store, but of course I will spoil you with Chanel samples. Okay, let me show you swatch first. I'm gonna use just these 2 colors first. Again, I apply it right here. You barely kind of see it. This is why I like to personally use eyeshadow primer. Again, this is its 2 colors right here without eyeshadow primer. Look at how beautiful gold this is. And now I swatch for you green and this white. Before I apply on my eyeshadow primer, I will tell you nothing fall down. Eyeshadow very good quality. They're not too intense, but they also not like no pigment. They do have a pretty nice pigment. And now again I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow primer, and it's like almost neutral nude color. If you have a little bit pigmentation on your eyes, this will help you. And most important, eyeshadow will stay all day long, not run, not crease, and will grab a little bit extra color. Okay, let's start with these 2 colors right here. Did you see difference? I am. They even look much more pretty. And now let me show you this white. Ooh. And next will be green. You can see it's a huge difference when you apply with primer and without. And now it's time for me to show you how I use this eyeshadow palette. The easiest eyeshadow palette I know from Chanel. It's right here. I have on me just foundation. I little bit fill my eyebrows, but let's do eyes first, and then I will add a little bit blush, some lipstick from Chanel. But this is so beautiful and gorgeous. This is my favorite palette, but we'll see how colors will go on my eyes, how they're gonna intense or not. Okay, let's do it. I will try to use all Chanel products, but one items which one I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna use MAC eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna apply an entire my eyelid. First color, which one I'm gonna use, is beautiful emerald green, and I'm using again brush from Chanel 200, and it's double-ended. I'm using the small one, and again I'm gonna use first green color, and I'm gonna apply on my eyelid right here, and then we're gonna slightly blend. Eyeshadow go pretty intense. I reapply couple times. Eyeshadow goes so beautiful. It actually looks very smooth on my eyelid, not fall down any eyeshadow. It's beautiful. Just look at this one color, how gorgeous. Just one color pat my eyes. I can just put mascara and I'm ready to go. I do like this color a lot. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna slightly blend this end of my eyeshadow, just very little. Now I have a small tiny brush from Chanel. I'm not sure if they make this brush or not, but it's an eyeliner brush number 13, and I'm gonna use this beautiful like a red burgundy color, and I apply underneath very close to my lashes. Again, look at just halfway, and I pushing this burgundy like red eyeshadow a little bit up. Now I have a blending brush. This is old Chanel blending brush, and I'm just gonna slightly little bit soft this eyeshadow. Wow, it's so beautiful. Don't be scared. It's a gorgeous palette. Now let's use this beautiful khaki gold eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply right here in the corner of my eye. This is the easiest eyeshadow palette I ever tried from Chanel. So quickly, easy, and we're almost done. Now let's use this beautiful white shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply underneath my brow very little. It just kind of like uncentered, not all of it, just a little bit right here. Gorgeous. It's so pretty, this white eyeshadow. I'm gonna slightly little dot just put right here in the corner. We can finish just like this, but I want slightly little bit extra pop. I'm gonna use this gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply little bit right here in the center of my eye, and it's gonna open and it's gonna give me nice pop. Because I use red eyeshadow underneath, sometimes burgundy red eyeshadow can make your eye tired or look sick, and avoid this. I'm gonna use just nude eyeliner, put on my waterline underneath. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then of course we're gonna use the volume mascara. I want lots of volume. This palette, Parure Baroque, it's so beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's very easy. Approve, no fall down, any eyeshadow, so easy to apply. Ooh, let's finish with mascara. And now let's finish this look. I'm gonna use powder number 10, just very little, setting my foundation. Just like this, and now I feel I need a little bit bronze and little bit glow. I'm gonna use a bronze color deep, little bit to warm my skin, close to my hairline, and then I can go with a neutral lip color, but for some reason fall it's here. I'm gonna choose something deeper, brighter color. Let me think about which one. I have a rose gold highlighter from Chanel. I know a lot of you like these products, me too. It's not a white highlighter, it's have a little bit this like a peachy gold color. Oh, it's beautiful. For my blush, I'm gonna use 602 Rose Ruben. It is like a deeper plum color, and I'm applying right here next to my highlighter. I feel like a Hollywood star. This is such amazing palette. I know a lot of you will say, oh no, it's not me. Trust me, it's so easy and quickly to apply. And look at my eyes, look at my skin. I like it. And I'm gonna make a little funny short with this eyeshadow look. I hope you like my little bit funny shorts, which one I make. It's make me happy, and I think if it's any of you smile or laugh, you made your day, you make my day, and it just, I like something to do different than just do only makeup. And let's finish this look with some new lip color I just got from Chanel. It's a timeless, long-wearing lilac formula, and I have a lip liner. I'm not sure if it's still for sale or not. It's by Burberry, number 07, Bright Plum. But if you want me to find a lip liner, go with this lipstick, just message me on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube channel, and I will choose a lip liner for this color. I soft little bit my lip liner and time to use lipstick. I finished this look. It's beautiful. What do you think? I think this is the easiest eyeshadow palette I ever used from Chanel. Don't be scared. I teach you how to use step by step. And if you like this video, please give me a like, share with your friends, because this is gorgeous. This is perfect for actually holidays. Yes, this is a lipstick, which one I just put. It's give me this holiday pop. I like it. Okay guys, love you more than ice cream. I will see you in my next video, and of course I'm gonna make more videos with new fall collection from Chanel. Ooh.